And here we are with the ZD Racing MT-16 already upside down. Not great. See if we can get a good run out of this guy. Ground's a little moist, so it's very grippy. It's the first time driving this truck. Bit of a handful, actually. A bit all over the place with this one. Oh, here we go. Coming alive, coming alive. Gee, on 3S, this thing's a bit of a wild animal. I will say I'm not a fan of the feel of the remote. This is probably not helping control. It's very fast, oh my goodness. It is ballistically fast. This thing has so much power. I would probably recommend upside down. I would probably recommend starting off on 2S if you've got one, just so you get a feel for this animal, because this thing's all over the place. My goodness. Now, I will say it's got those LEDs on the front, right? They're yellow, they're not white. And I thought that these buttons here, one of these buttons would turn it on or off, but it actually doesn't. So these channel 3 and channel 4 buttons don't actually do anything. And there's nothing in here that will control that. Now, it does have throttle dual rate. So let me turn that down. We'll go all the way to 0. We'll see. Oh, all the way to 0 gives me no throttle at all. Let me see. If we go like halfway, all right, well that's much more manageable. If we go halfway, so I guess you could just stick with the 3S and just turn your throttle dual rate down. Makes things a little bit better. But man, turning it all the way up to full noise. All right, let's take it on some jumps and see what happens. All right, let's see how this behaves here. Got to go easy on that throttle. Jump's nice, well balanced. Lots of power, lots of speed with this little guy. Yeah, just not a big fan of the steering and the sensitivity of the wheel, the steering wheel. Good control as well. I managed to recover that from a nosedive. Woo! Does take a little bit of getting used to, but it's actually not that bad. No, come on. Oh, will it get it back on its feet? Nah. Gotta do the walk of shame and pick it up. There we go. So far so good. Let's see if we can do a bigger jump here, get some speed. No, I missed the jump completely. Man, it's so hard to get this thing to steer right. I'm pretty sure it has just a straight spur gear. There's no center diff or clutch system in this. So it does make it a little bit tricky to control when all 4 wheels are spinning all at the same time. Recovered that, got a big X-Max over there. Very fast little truck. Here we go. Not bad at all. This thing is nuts. All right, let's go bigger. All right, let's see if we can grab some big jumps off this little guy, off the embankment there. Coming down, up, come on, steer straight. It's funny, when I'm going the other way, I can steer perfectly straight. When coming back this way, it's not so easy. Here we go, got it. Hey, look at that, it even did a backflip. Woohoo, man, this thing's got some speed. Let's see if we can do it again. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Oh! Oh, that was not part of the plan, and I think we may have broken it already. That was a nasty hit. Oh yeah, here we go. That was a terrible landing. And look at that, exactly the same as the ROG, same side and everything. What a coincidence. We broke the axle carrier, clean break on that guy, nasty landing. And the car is very deep. Oh no, we've done more damage than that. We've also popped out the A-arm, and it looks like the hinge pins are broken. Wait, I broke a hinge pin. That's new. Can't say I've ever had that happen before. Well, there you go. This little guy unfortunately had one really nasty landing and broke a couple of bits. So yeah, up for some repairs, and I'm sure I'll bring it back another time, see if we can do some more jumps with it. Till next time guys, thanks for watching, catch you next time.